Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and highly relevant topic. 5 passive income ideas to make $10,000 per month in 2024 with the right strategies and dedication. Passive income can significantly enhance your financial freedom and overall lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore various methods that allow you to earn money while you sleep. Number 1. YouTube. Why YouTube? It's a huge opportunity to make money by uploading videos. Videos can go viral, earn ad revenue, and promote other income sources. Longevity. Videos can keep getting views for years. Easy tools. Use tools like ChatGPT for scripts, AI voiceovers, and free video editing software. No face required. You can run faceless YouTube channels using stock footage and voiceovers. High potential. Many new people join YouTube, but few create content. This means there's still a huge opportunity. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. What is it? Promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. Your example, you promote software within your courses and make tens of thousands monthly. Starting point, you set up a landing page and resources for affiliates to promote your course, earning extra income. Traffic sources. Use free traffic YouTube, Instagram, TikTok or paid traffic YouTube ads, Facebook ads. High earnings potential. For example, 20 sales per month at $500 commission equals $10,000 monthly. Number 3. No-code software. What is it? Create software without needing to know how to code using tools like Bubble.io. Solving problems. Successful software solves a problem for users. Recurring revenue. Users pay monthly, providing a steady income. High valuation. A software with many users can be worth a lot of money. Number 4. High-yield savings accounts. What is it? Store your money in high-yield savings accounts to earn interest. True passive income. Just deposit money and earn interest. Bank selection. Choose FDIC-insured banks and research current interest rates. Number 5. Investing. Why invest? To protect money from inflation. Simple strategy. Invest in index funds or ETFs that cover a wide range of sectors. Dividend investing. Invest in companies that pay high dividends for extra monthly income. Focus first. Before investing, focus on building a business or skill to generate initial income. Thanks for watching. If you found these passive income ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money and living your best life. Also, see you in the next video.